Hi, this is Pratiti. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be sharing a lovely breakfast spread which includes some fun and yummy recipes which you can prepare to make someone feel special. This recipe is super simple and can still be assembled even if you're rushing for office. So let's hop on. Starting with my favorite, the French toast casserole. This is my favorite and I guess I have made this for all my friends who stayed over for brunch or breakfast. I personally love this recipe because it's easy and tasty and can be prepped ahead of time. If you're serving this the next morning, you can prepare the whole mixture, prepare the casserole and put it in your refrigerator and it's good to go. As you can see, I have taken croissant for this recipe, but you can also opt for sandwich bread or butter bread, anything, any bread that you like, but it will definitely taste better if you take something sweeter or buttery. So I have taken here 3 medium-sized eggs, of course for the base of the French toast, followed by milk. So it's less than a half cup of milk, full fat milk preferably, and the equal amount of cream. Don't forget to add that pinch of salt in the beginning, that will definitely enhance the taste. I have also added some cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla. Those who don't like that eggy flavor, this vanilla and cinnamon will definitely help suppressing the egg smell. Into it, I'm adding 2 heaped tablespoons of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar in hand, you can definitely use white sugar. You can also caramelize white sugar a little bit to have that caramelly smell. That goes really well with this recipe. Once your mixture is ready, then you can prep the dish in which you are going to bake. As you can see, I am just using some butter to line up the dish first and then tearing up the croissant pieces. You can also cut the croissant, but it really doesn't make any difference. We have now a uniform layer of bread. Try not to have more gaps. On top of it, I am adding a little bit of butter here and there. It's really optional. You can add if you like to. Now it's time to pour all the mixture that you have prepared. Make sure that all the croissant pieces are well soaked in the mixture. Once you're happy with the base, top it with some more brown sugar to have a nice caramelized top. So if you're prepping the night before, then just prepare up to this part and then seal the dish and put it in your refrigerator overnight, and the next day you just bake it. Next I'm making a savory egg bowl, which I think goes really well with our sweet casserole. You can easily prepare this in the morning itself because it takes around 3 minutes maximum to cook. So I'm chopping some capsicum to go with it. You can already keep some capsicum chopped before as well. So I'm taking 1 egg with a little bit of salt and some of the chopped capsicum. We'll be saving some for garnish. Followed by around 1 tablespoon of milk just to make it fluffy. Whisk it properly to avoid any lumps. In it, I'm also adding a little bit of cheese. You can take any cheese. I am taking the mixed cheese. Onto it, I'm also adding some fried onions, a small teaspoon of ketchup, and a little bit of Tabasco. I would definitely recommend to use the Tabasco sauce to have that little bit of kick which really goes well with the recipe. Now I'm taking a microwave safe bowl. I'm just greasing it with olive oil and then pouring the mixture. Top it with a little more cheese and then some capsicum and some red chili flakes. So this combination is already very delicious, and you can definitely remove any other ingredient. You can add chicken, you can add different cheese, or use raw onions instead of fried ones, and then microwave for maximum 3 minutes. You can check, it can also be ready before 3 minutes, around 2.5 also is fine. Meanwhile, our casserole is also ready. It takes around 30 minutes maximum, but mine was done in 25 minutes. Since every oven functions differently, the timing may vary a little bit, but keep on checking. Maybe you can start checking from 20 minutes and then you can use a toothpick to see if it is cooked or not. So here you can see we have a clean piece of our casserole. You can pop it in the oven first thing in the morning, and by the time you get ready, your casserole is done. Serve with fruits of your choice. I'm using some canned peaches and a little bit of maple syrup. You can actually keep the sweetness of the casserole a little low, so one can add maple syrup or dusted sugar as per his or her taste. Along with this sweet and savory dishes, I am also serving some yogurt with some fruits and granola. You can add fruits and nuts of your choice. I am using strawberry and pumpkin seeds. So here we are, your fancy looking breakfast is ready. It actually takes 30 to 40 minutes in the morning if you prep ahead the night before. You can enjoy the Valentine's morning or any morning as such, or make it in the brunch with your special one, to your parents or your guest. Found this beautiful macaron the other day in the shop. How cute is that? This little effort will definitely make them feel special, and there is no specific day for that. Every day can be a fine day for making someone feel special. I would definitely encourage you to make this extra effort. Make one of these recipes, if not all, and have some quality time with your loved one, with your family, friends. If you enjoy watching this kind of videos, then please like the video and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified for future uploads.